Agni College of Technology. The vision of the college is to be one among the top institutions offering engineering and technology education by training, creating, and nurturing an enterprising, innovative, and environmental spirit among the students for continual growth as professionals with values. And the mission is to be the premier institution in providing technical excellence and shaping a better future for the society by developing effective and responsible professionals, and to facilitate the young minds to acquire analytical, evaluative, and creative skills through research, beyond curriculum, and hands on training to make them lifelong learners, and also to develop entrepreneurial skills and empowering students through quality education, combining contemporary knowledge, eco friendly practices, and inculcating the values for nation building. And also, Agni College of Technology ACT has 300 startups. This knowledge initiative from ACT is extended to kindle entrepreneurial spirit of the students. This is also a big step in empowering women as all startups have women CEOs. Agni College Foundation has signed MOU with ELCOT, Government of Tamil Nadu, for Rs 1500 crores during Global Investor Summit 2019. Also, 300 Startups is focused on students of ACT, where students from all 4 years have formed teams and started a company. These companies focus on government departments of Tamil Nadu and strive to solve an issue or create a product or service for the department. And 300 startups are focusing on government operation in specific, and which will provide lot of benefits to citizens of Tamil Nadu on easy of approach, speedy or timely solutions, inclusive relationship, minimizing process, minimizing service or product cost, utilization of government schemes. And Center of Excellence at Agni. With its progressive thoughts and to provide industry ready engineering education to students, and it has set up these center of excellence within the campus. These centers bridge the academic industry gap through continuous training, live projects, knowledge upgradation, etc. on a regular basis for both faculty and students. These center helps students in internships and recruitment. Companies also gain a lot through this initiative as this becomes a good testing ground for experimenting new ideas, process, and prior knowledge to implementation. And the Center of Excellence companies are ABB, L&T, GE Stamp, Zoho, ITK, Mitsubishi Electric, Mando, Eagle Bergerman, Harita, Texas, Siemens Healthineers, Seagrass Tech, Meridian, Robolab, and these 15 centers of excellence are at Agni College of Technology campus. Disclaimer. This information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at Agni College of Technology ACT are Aerospace Engineering, Biomedical Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Civil Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Mechanical and Automation Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Mechatronics Engineering, Information Technology, and Chemical Engineering. The cutoff marks for ACT are: for OC, it is from 130 to 155. For BCM, it is 92 to 134. For BC, it is 106 to 139. For MBC, it is 92 to 138. And for SC, it is 78 to 121. Facilities at Agni College of Technology are library. ACT Central Library houses nearly 28,000 volumes of books and 5,800 titles, which enables the students in their study and research. An online journal database with a link to IEEE is also available. A spacious reading area lends a calm and comfortable atmosphere for students and faculty members to pursue excellence in academics. The library is equipped with all modern facilities on par with international standards. Hostel. Separate hostels for boys and girls with spacious rooms and adequate storage area is available. Hostel students can access the Wi-Fi facility. In addition, some rooms are provided with wired connection. Access to internet from hostel is a facility that aids the quest for knowledge. Each hostel is attached with a modern kitchen, a dining hall, a reading room with newspapers, periodicals, and magazines, a TV, and a telephone. Health Center. The Health Center at Agni College of Technology is well equipped. It has inpatient facility for male and female students. The Health Center provides health care in comfortable and confidential environment with quality. The center has 6 beds and adequately supplied medicine cabinet. The health center is manned by a medical officer and a healthcare assistant to provide excellent medical care to all the students, staff, and faculty at no cost. Transport. The college has its own fleet of buses connecting the campus with different points of Chennai and suburbs for the benefit of the students and staffs. The fee for transport has to be paid in advance. Fee once paid will not be refunded. Counseling Center. A quality counselor resides in the campus to counsel and guide students who face the problems of adjustment, depression, or any other career or behavior oriented aberrations. The counselor ensures that all students have access to career education and guidance. Sports. In ACT, students are encouraged to active part in sports and games. To facilitate this, there is a huge playground for cricket, football, tennis, volleyball, athletics, etc. An indoor stadium built on par with international standards houses games such as basketball, badminton, table tennis, and squash. Gymnasia are available for boys and girls. The physical director supervises and guides the sports activities. The placement at Agni College of Technology and the placement milestones for 1920 batches. The total number of offers is 600 plus and the total number of companies visited in current year is 80 plus and the average package for current year is 3.4 lakhs and the highest package is 12.3 lakhs. And the placement report is for 2017-2018 batch, the number of companies visited is 71 and the total number of students eligible is 501 and the number of offers is 315 and the total number of students placed is 230 and in 2018-19 the number of students is 601 and the total number of offers is 654 and the number of placements is 376 and the total number of companies visited is 71. In 2019-2020 batch, the number of students is 535 and the number of offers is 608 and the total number of placements is 427 and the number of companies visited is 81. And the major recruiters at ACT are Infosys, HCL, TCS, Zoho, HSBC, Wipro, CGH, CAR, Capgemini, Cognizant, Amazon, Melio, HSBC, Zoho, Byju's Learning App, Topper, Just Dial, IBM, Standard Chartered Bank, IDBI, Soprasteria, Super Autoforge, Vernalis, Econ Systems, 8K Milestones, Sutherland, Cura, VDAT, Galvanize, HCL, EL, Zifo, Systec, JBM, VR, Shriram Chits, Big Bazaar, Eureka Forbes, Capgemini, First Source, Paragon, and many more. The result comparison for Agni College of Technology from 2014 to 2017 is from 52 to 63 percentage, and in 2014 it was 62 percentage. In 2015 it was 52 percentage. In 2016 it was 63, and in 2017 it was 62 percentage. The college counseling code for Agni College of Technology is 1316. Contact college at 044 6740 9441 to 044 6740 9499. 60 lines. And the website is www.act.edu.in. College is located at Old Mahabalipuram Road, Talambur, Chennai 600130. Mail ID is mail@act.edu.in.